Okay, so hello. So this is what's this G, I think. Okay, so 7. Plug it into Desmos like always. So yeah, pull it up. Here you go. 3 ln 4 ln 3 minus ln 9. Right. So we got that first. Then we need to we can move to 4, right? With the what's it called? Power property, right? 3, 4. Bring it down to everything else. Minus ln 9 ln. Right. Then we're gonna use the quotient rule, right? The one where there's a subtraction in the middle, right? ln 3 4. 3 over 4. This is just like one number, which is all x, right? And 9 is y, right? So it's just gonna be ln, right? 3 over 4, right? On top. Then 9 at the bottom. We could simplify this to 81. 9, which is just 9 ln 9. And then we could simplify 9 to 2/3. Move the 3 to the front, and we could get 3 ln 2. Right, and if we put 3 ln 2 to Desmos, we get the same answer. Also, if you want to put it on the graph instead, you could always just put x in the front, x equals, right, and then now it's graphed, right? Red, you get rid of it, it's still there. So that's yeah, that's how you know it's correct. And then number 8. Okay, number 8. We could do the quotient property like above, right? Again, because there's a negative sign, log x on top, then y on bottom, right? And we get left with this, and we get 1/2, right? So 1/2 times this, it would just go in the front, right? It's already in the front. Like if these were gone, it would be already in the front, right? This is like one whole number, so we don't have to distribute everything, just the whole thing at once. 1/2 log, move it to the top, right? And since 1/2 is just equal to the square root sign, 1/2 in the exponent though, only in the exponent. If it's 1/2 in the exponent, it's just the square root sign. So square root x over x plus 2, right? And we could plug them in as well. So this is x, the original equation, right? And this is the new equation, right? It's gonna I don't think it's like, I don't think you have to worry about this because it's on the negative side, right? But if you remove this, it's on top of the red one. But this I don't think is important because when you plug it in, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be undefined. So don't worry about stuff in the negative side. For this side only though. For what's called G. Okay, then number 9, log 2x plus log 2 x minus 3, right? This one's really easy. You just plug in the product one, right? X times x minus 3, because there's a plus sign instead of a negative sign this time, right? You distribute these, x squared, 3x, right? 2. Just bring down the 2. Right, and then on Desmos, it's the same thing. The original problem, and then the one at the very end. Right, it's the same thing. It overlaps this one, but on the negative side, it shows something else, which I don't think it doesn't really matter because it's on the negative side. Right, boom. Okay, so that's how you do G.